Everybody is looking for a sense of wonder. Have you ever looked up at the night sky and felt a sense of wonder? It's like a giant, ever-changing puzzle just waiting to be explored. Tonight, let's embark on a journey to discover the celestial wonders that grace our night sky. We'll uncover shining stars, distant planets, and maybe even a glimpse of the moon. So grab your imaginary telescopes and let's dive into the fascinating world of astronomy. Are you ready for an adventure? First stop, our solar system neighbors, the planets. Tonight, we might be lucky enough to spot some of these celestial wanderers. Look for bright, non-twinkling points of light. Planets reflect the sun's light, making them appear different from twinkling stars. See a reddish glow? That might be Mars, the red planet, or perhaps a bright white light? That could be Venus, often called the evening star or morning star depending on when it's visible. Planet spotting can be tricky, but it's super rewarding. Next up, let's talk about the moon, our very own natural satellite. Tonight, it might be a bright full moon illuminating the sky with its soft glow, or maybe we'll see a crescent moon like a celestial smile looking down on us. The moon has fascinated humans for centuries. Did you know it goes through phases, changing its appearance from night to night? This happens because of how sunlight reflects off its surface as it orbits Earth. Isn't it amazing? Now let's venture beyond our solar system to the distant twinkling stars. If you look closely, you'll notice that some stars seem to form patterns. These patterns are called constellations. They're like celestial connect the dots, and each one has its own unique story to tell. For centuries, people have looked up at the constellations and imagined them as mythical creatures, objects, and heroes. These stories have been passed down through generations, connecting us to the history and cultures of those who came before us. Section 5. Ursa Major and the Great Bear. One of the most recognizable constellations is Ursa Major, also known as the Great Bear. This constellation has been a part of human history and culture for thousands of years. Its name, Ursa Major, is Latin for greater she-bear, and it has been a significant figure in various mythologies and folklore. It's visible in the northern hemisphere and looks like a giant dipper. The Big Dipper, which is part of Ursa Major, is one of the most easily identifiable asterisms in the night sky. The 7 bright stars that form the Big Dipper are often used as a reference point for stargazers and astronomers alike. The 2 stars at the end of the Dipper's handle can help you find Polaris, the North Star. These stars, known as Dubhe and Merak, act as pointers that guide your eyes directly to Polaris. This method of locating Polaris has been used for centuries by navigators and explorers. Polaris is special because it always appears in the same spot in the sky, making it a helpful guide for navigation. Unlike other stars that appear to move across the sky due to Earth's rotation, Polaris remains almost stationary, marking the location of the North Celestial Pole. Legend has it that the Great Bear represents Callisto, a nymph who is transformed into a bear by a jealous goddess. According to Greek mythology, Callisto was a beautiful nymph who caught the eye of Zeus. This angered Zeus's wife, Hera, who turned Callisto into a bear out of jealousy. It's a captivating tale from Greek mythology. Callisto's story doesn't end there. In her bear form, she wandered the forests until one day she encountered her son, Arcas. Not recognizing his mother, Arcas was about to hunt her down when Zeus intervened, placing both Callisto and Arcas in the sky as constellations. Callisto became Ursa Major, the Great Bear, and Arcas became Ursa Minor, the Little Bear. This mythological story adds a layer of wonder and intrigue to the constellation, making it not just a group of stars, but a symbol of transformation and protection in the night sky. Section 6. Orion, the hunter in the sky. Another prominent constellation visible during certain times of the year is Orion the hunter. Orion is easy to spot with his 3-starred belt and a sword hanging from it. According to Greek mythology, Orion was a mighty hunter who boasted about slaying all the animals on Earth. As punishment for his arrogance, he was killed by a scorpion. Now, Orion chases celestial animals across the night sky, forever reminding us of the importance of humility. Section 7. Fun facts about stars, twinkling wonders. Stars have fascinated humanity for millennia, serving as beacons in the night sky and inspiring countless myths and legends. But what exactly are these twinkling wonders? Stars are massive balls of hot gas that emit light and heat. They are primarily composed of hydrogen and helium, undergoing nuclear fusion in their cores to produce energy. They come in different colors depending on their temperature. The color of a star can tell us a lot about its properties, including its age and composition. Blue stars are the hottest, while red stars are the coolest. Blue stars can reach temperatures of up to 40,000 degrees Celsius, while red stars are cooler, with temperatures around 3,000 degrees Celsius. Did you know that our sun is a star too? It's a relatively young star, about 4.6 billion years old, and it has enough fuel to last another 5 billion years. It's a yellow dwarf star, and it's the closest star to Earth. The sun's energy is crucial for life on our planet, providing the warmth and light necessary for ecosystems to thrive. The twinkling of stars is caused by Earth's atmosphere. This phenomenon, known as stellar scintillation, occurs because the Earth's atmosphere is constantly in motion. As light from a distant star passes through our atmosphere, it gets bent and scattered by the air, making the star appear to twinkle. This effect is more pronounced when stars are near the horizon, where the atmosphere is thicker. It's like a celestial light show. Each twinkle is a reminder of the dynamic nature of our atmosphere and the incredible distances that starlight travels to reach us. So next time you gaze up at the night sky, remember the fascinating science behind those twinkling wonders. As Section 8, the Milky Way, our galaxy. On a clear night, far away from city lights, when the sky is free from the overwhelming glow of urban areas, you might be lucky enough to see a faint, milky band stretching across the sky. This band is not just a random collection of stars, it is a glimpse into the very structure of our galaxy. That's the Milky Way, our very own galaxy. It is a vast and complex system that has fascinated astronomers and stargazers for centuries. It's a barred spiral galaxy, which means it has a central bar-shaped structure with arms spiraling outwards. These arms are filled with stars, gas, and dust, creating a beautiful and intricate pattern. Our solar system is just a tiny part of this vast galaxy, located in one of the spiral arms known as the Orion Arm. Despite its small size in the grand scheme of things, our solar system is home to the only known life in the universe. The Milky Way contains billions of stars, planets, and other celestial objects. Each of these stars could potentially have its own planetary system, some of which might harbor conditions suitable for life. It's humbling to think about our place in the grand scheme of the universe. As we gaze up at the Milky Way, we are reminded of the vastness of space and the countless mysteries it holds. The more we learn about our galaxy, the more we realize how much there is still to discover. From the formation of stars to the potential for extraterrestrial life, the Milky Way continues to captivate and inspire us. So next time you find yourself under a clear night sky, take a moment to look up and appreciate the incredible galaxy we call home. Section 9. Myths and Legends of the Night Sky. Cultures all over the world have created their own unique myths and legends about the celestial objects they observed in the night sky. In Chinese mythology, for example, the constellation we know as Ursa Major is seen as the Big Dipper, and its 7 stars are associated with important figures. These stories often reflect the values, beliefs, and traditions of the people who told them. They remind us that the night sky has inspired wonder and imagination in humans for millennia. Section 10. Stargazing Tips. Explore the universe. Want to become a backyard astronomer? Here are some tips. Find a dark location away from city lights. Use a star chart or a mobile app to help you identify constellations and planets. Allow your eyes to adjust to the darkness for at least 30 minutes. Most importantly, be patient and enjoy the experience. Stargazing is a journey of discovery, and there's always something new to learn and explore in the vast expanse of the cosmos. Section 11. Keep looking up. As we conclude our journey through the night sky, remember that the universe is full of wonders waiting to be discovered. So, next time you find yourself under a starry sky, take a moment to look up and appreciate the beauty and mystery of the cosmos. Keep exploring, keep asking questions, and never lose your sense of wonder.